Hey everyone, welcome to Man Cave Insider. I'm Dennis. Thank you for joining me. If you like what you see, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you can see past and future videos. We are here in my man cave, and this room is filled with things that I've been collecting my entire life. These are the stories behind them. And today, we are going to be talking about something that I just got in a few hours ago. The Columbia Classics Volume 3 4K collection. This is the third in an annual series from Columbia Pictures highlighting some of the most prolific films in the studio's history. This set comes with 6 films on Blu-ray and 4K, starting with It Happened One Night from 1934, From Here to Eternity, released in 1953, To Sir with Love, released in 1967, The Last Picture Show, released in 1971, Annie from 1982, and 1997's As Good as It Gets. Now, in addition to the 6 main films, there are a plethora of extras and bonus features. And this set actually has 10 films in total. Let me explain. It Happened One Night includes the 1956 remake You Can't Run Away From It, starring Jack Lemmon and June Allyson. From Here to Eternity includes the 5-hour 1979 miniseries. To Sir with Love includes To Sir with Love 2, the 1992 TV movie, also starring Sidney Poitier, directed by Peter Bogdanovich. And Annie includes the film Little Orphan Annie, released in 1932 with Mitzi Green as Annie. Now, when I started collecting movies on 4K, I saw it as a great opportunity to collect a lot of classic films that I haven't seen and wanted to add to my collection. And this Columbia Classics series has been an excellent way to do that. I've been able to see and collect such great movies on 4K as Mr. Smith Goes to Washington, Anatomy of a Murder, Jerry Maguire, Lawrence of Arabia, Gandhi, Oliver, and many more. And this new set, in addition to the bonus features, has a lot of great movies, 3 of which I haven't even had a chance to see yet. So I'm very excited to open up this box set and see what's inside. So here it is, Columbia Classics Volume 3. It comes with digital copies of all of the movies and a ton of bonus features. Now, the packaging for this is similar to the first 2 releases in this series. Columbia Classics Volume 1 was released 2 years ago, which has Mr. Smith Goes to Washington, Lawrence of Arabia, Dr. Strangelove, Gandhi, A League of Their Own, and Jerry Maguire. And they all come with a hardcover book that features essays on each film. I'm not going to go through every single movie in this series because I want to get to the unboxing of the 3rd one. Volume 2 came out in 2021, and this includes Anatomy of a Murder, Oliver, Taxi Driver, Stripes, Sense and Sensibility, and The Social Network. So here's Volume 3. Whereas Volume 1 had a black color to it, Volume 2 was red, this one is blue. Let's go ahead and let's open it up. So it has 3 movies on each side, and it has the hardcover book in the middle. First up is It Happened One Night, released in 1934, starring Clark Gable and Claudette Colbert. This film was directed by the legendary Frank Capra, and it also won Best Picture. And it has artwork to tie in with this release, and it also has the artwork from the original release. And this also comes with the 1956 remake, You Can't Run Away From It, starring Jack Lemmon and Jane Allyson. Has the movie on 4K and Blu-ray. Next up to the set is the 1953 Academy Award winner for Best Picture, From Here to Eternity, with Burt Lancaster, Donna Reed, and Frank Sinatra. In addition to the film, exclusive to this set, is a 5-hour 1979 miniseries starring William Devane, Natalie Wood, and Kim Basinger. Third film is 1967's To Sir with Love with Sidney Poitier. On Blu-ray and 4K. This also includes the 1992 TV movie To Sir with Love 2, directed by Peter Bogdanovich, also starring Sidney Poitier. Fourth film is Peter Bogdanovich's The Last Picture Show, starring Jeff Bridges and Sybil Shepherd. This has two versions of the film. It has the theatrical version and it has the 1999 director's cut. And this is one of 3 films in the set that is in black and white. The fourth film is 1982's Annie, celebrating its 40th anniversary. This, of course, is inspired by the comic book and radio dramas of Little Orphan Annie, and this film is based on the Broadway musical of Annie. It stars Albert Finney and Carol Burnett, as well as newcomer Aileen Quinn in the title role. In addition to the film, this also has the 1932 black and white film Little Orphan Annie with Mitzi Green playing Annie. The final film in the set is 1997's As Good as It Gets. In a year where the Academy Awards were dominated by Titanic, this film won Academy Awards for Best Actor for Jack Nicholson and Best Actress for Helen Hunt. Greg Kinnear was also nominated for Best Supporting Actor, and the film was directed by James L. Brooks. And it is regarded by many as one of Nicholson's greatest performances. And included in the set is an 80-page hardcover book. Which features essays on each film, bibliographies, photos. I'm not going to go through every page, but this is a really great addition to all of these sets, as you get 6 films in 4K for the very first time. Now, these are limited edition sets, which means it won't be available in several months, although the films will be available on 4K individually at a much later date. So that is it for our look at Columbia Classics Volume 3. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and we look forward to seeing you next time.